Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to delete certain location data in TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store. And here in the App Store, what you need to do is simply search TikTok app. You have to wait a little bit. After that, just simply tap on the TikTok. Make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Once you have updated the app, simply go to the TikTok app. Once you are in the TikTok app, go to your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Here you need to tap on settings and privacy. After that, you need to scroll all the way down until you find contacts and location. Simply tap on it. Here what you need to do is simply scroll down again, and here you can see location services, and below that you can see delete certain location data. So simply tap on it, and here you can delete your location data. So just simply tap on delete, and location history has already been deleted because I deleted it recently. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.